This is the Wanbaker folding bread proofing box, designed to create a controlled environment for dough fermentation and baking projects. It features adjustable temperature control from 68 to 131 degrees Fahrenheit, along with a built-in timer that can be set up to 99 hours, giving you a lot of flexibility depending on what you're making. The folding design is really practical. When it's in use, it provides enough space for bowls, bannetons, or baking trays, and when you're done, it folds down flat for easy storage. The 6-layer fabric construction helps maintain consistent warmth inside the box. I like how versatile this proofer is. It works well for sourdough and bread proofing, but it can also be used for pizza dough, yogurt, kombucha, or other fermentation projects that benefit from steady temperatures. The controls are simple to use, so adjusting the temperature or timer doesn't feel complicated. It's a helpful tool for home bakers who want more consistency without relying on room temperature or improvising with ovens. If you enjoy baking or fermentation and want more control over your process, this Wanbaker dough proofer box is a convenient and space-saving addition to your kitchen setup.